Today we have our privilege of hosting our esteemed experts in Ashwin Munjal. So who will share their valuable insights on maintaining oral health and adopting economics practices to enhance our well-being and productivity. So let me give their introduction. She is a CrossFit coach. She is from Turkey, who has a passion for helping people become their best version of themselves. She is having almost 200 success stories in which she has a pride in empowering individuals to achieve their goals, no matter how busy their schedules are. And so here today she's gonna help us out that for taking us each and every one of us to take the first step toward a healthier and more fulfilling lifestyle. So their expertise will undoubtedly empower us with practical knowledge that can positively impact our daily lives. So let's make the most of this session by actively engaging and then gaining actionable takeaways. Without further ado, I invite Aishwarya Munjal to the dais to lead us into this enriching discussion.
Hello everyone. Before we start, we'll do some simple desk exercises just to loosen yourselves up. I know you've been sitting since morning and working, right? Must be feeling a lot, I don't know, like tight, pains around your neck. Anyone? Yes. Okay. So guys, I want you to push yourselves slightly away from the table. Stay seated on your chairs. Wonderful. You guys can stay there, the ones facing towards, yeah. So we'll start with some neck stretches. Anyone who has cervical, I don't want you to do these, okay? We'll avoid these. And everyone, let's start with the neck stretches, starting with tilting your neck to the right and left. Twice. You can make semicircles while leaning your neck back. Relax yourself. The सिर नहीं घुमाना है. Let it be helpful. Yes. Now, starting with the next, we'll stretch our forearms and the wrists. Everyone, both the sides. Day में first time कर रहे हो ये कि सुबह किसी ने किया? नहीं किया? इसलिए that's why I'm here. Okay. Next we have is the shoulder stretch. Grab your one arm close to your body. Stretch it nice. Come on. Let that work. Pull it closer. To the other side. Come on. Guys, I would. Wonderful. Now I want you to stand up. What we're going to do next is we're going to hit our heels to our butt. Just like this. You're sitting on that ass since morning. Move it. Come on. Okay, relax. We'll do the last one, guys. Please maintain the silence. We'll do the last one. Twist your body, right and left, and stretch that back. Okay. You can have your seats back. Can I get your attention back? Thank you. How do you feel? A little better? A little relaxed? Wonderful. So greetings, I'm Ishwarya. I'm a strength and wellness coach. My mission is to empower people get fit. The way I do it is through online classes. I provide nutrition counseling and give fitness programs. I have a question for you all. What would you do if you enter in a dark room? एक अंधेरे, let's say this room is all dark and you enter. पहली चीज क्या करोगे? Anyone? Light switch करोगे, right? But when it comes to fitness, unfortunately, a lot of you are fumbling around in the dark. हंसी आ रही है? A lot of you are fumbling around the dark. अंधेरे में आए हो, किसी को पता ही नहीं है. Okay, I want to lose fat. Do you know all the hacks to lose fat? No, right? But a lot of people don't even know that we're supposed to lose fat. Let's say someone says, यार तू तो बहुत पतला है, तू तो fit है, तुझे तो पतले होने की जरूरत नहीं है. But fat loss is not equal to fitness. If you're lean, you're not fit. Let's agree to that. Okay. So all I can do is share my own story. This was me in my teens, looking fat, not so great, and feeling even worse. And this is me today. I would not say I'm the fittest, but yes, I can say I've worked hard to become almost fit and feel great. Why? So what happened? My storyline was I was working in Delhi with this company named Ease My Trips, who had my working hours used to be very bad, 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. till 8 p.m. Sitting on that chair. I used to live in a hostel, so I used to eat whatever I used to get at the end of the day. Come back, grab a packet of chips, eat Maggie, and sleep. Next day again, same thing, day in, day out. Had no discipline, had no workout routine. But then I wasn't aware that this was creating an issue inside me. One day, I mean, it obviously took time, but I was diagnosed with PCOS. Gaining weight, feeling lethargic all the time, had to take a decision for myself. I wasn't aware what PCOS was, but then I took time, studied about it, and I realized my lifestyle was making it even worse. I had to study, joined a gym, did some online classes from the hostel so that I can, move my body. This is basically PCOS is basically when your hormones are imbalanced because of your lifestyle. As women gain belly fat around their waist, which is why there are problems like irregular periods, gaining weight, lethargic. This is just one problem that I'm sharing about. But obesity can cause a lot of issues you're not even realizing. Today, if I ask you to get your blood test done, you'll know half of the problems are lying after you'll get your blood test done. A lot of people feel, girls, boys as well, hair fall आजकल हो रहा है क्यों हो रहा है do you know you're working hard or you're eating less but still you're not losing weight why probably your vitamin D levels are too low anyone who got their blood test done in past 3 months guys too bad yeah one what came in those reports कुछ आया काम के सब कुछ perfect था vitamin D and B12. Why did you get it done? Why did you get your blood test done? Just like that, or you were facing some problem? Right. So vitamin D is one of the cause. Just not that, guys. ये तो हमें जो दिखते हैं differences. This is what I'm talking about. But आपकी body के अंदर और क्या हो रहा है? Your bone density is also decreasing if you're not having enough vitamin D, right? And just not you're not only going to have it. There is a problem that your body is not even absorbing it. तो खाने के अलावा आपको उसको absorb भी करना है. So for that also you're supposed to take things which can absorb it even better. But it's really bad that nobody has got their blood test done from past, let's say 6 months. किसी ने करवाया है? Get it done. कुछ deficiency आई?
I got that message as a routine checkup. Annually, I do it.
And everything was good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, cholesterol levels were a bit high. The
Bad cholesterol, LDL, yes.
And the ratio was not what it should be.
Did you do something about it?
Change my lifestyle, change my diet.
How? कुछ एक आधी चीज जो चेंज करी हो.
Yeah, I stopped eating fried and started shifting towards the.
So did you see if you're on the right track and got it tested again?
No, feelings were friends, but
Get it tested. You'll know if you're on the right track. Okay? So that's what I'm saying. When I was talking about if you enter in a dark room, in fitness industry, we don't even know that we have an issue. That's why we're fumbling around the dark. Reason. Okay. So from here, my story, all I'm going to tell you is, can you have the next slide? Well, the transformation wasn't easy, but it was worth it. What really helped was consistency, hard work, and mindfulness. Anybody, any age, any gender can do this, and they can, overcome the problems they are facing in life. Only if you realize what's the problem. So consistency, how? I showed up every day, irrespective of I have a wedding to attend, it's my birthday, oh I have to go home. Hard work, I feel like doing it, आज मेरा mood नहीं है, चल यार आज दारू पीने चलते हैं. If I had to drink those beers in the night, I was working out in the morning. Mindfulness. Mindful in a way, टीवी देखते देखते मैं खाना खा रही हूँ, not realizing कितना खा लिया है. I was mindful कि मैं जितना खा रही हूँ, I know what I'm eating and how much I'm eating and why I'm eating. I was taking few steps like 7 to 8,000 steps minimum in the day. Let's say मैं पानी पीने जा रही हूँ, so I won't ask my friend to get that bottle. Yeah, I'll intentionally put an effort and go get that, go and have that water by myself. Now we're done with the enough like serious talks. I would want to know who brushed their teeth today. यार ब्रश टीथ बहुत लोगों ने नहीं किया. किया है, वंडरफुल. एग्जैक्टली, क्यों किया है? क्योंकि बचपन से आदत है ना. सब हमारे माँ बाप ने सबने सिखाया था सुबह उठ के, सॉरी ओके, सुबह उठ के वी आर सपोज्ड टू ब्रश आवर टीथ, राइट? It is not something you just develop. It is a habit that we developed over a period of time because we were taught. But who all did a workout in the morning today? एक जने ने किया. ये माँ बाप ने नहीं सिखाया. दो, 3 people. That is good. Some sort of activity, some sort of movement. Only 3. Parents forgot to teach us. Very good.
It was not kind of a workout. I did yoga.
Well, any kind of, so we'll call yoga a 30 minutes dance session, intentional walking for 30 minutes or 20 minutes, whatever time. But what I'm saying is, look at the people who brushed today. 99.9% almost, one must be hiding. नहीं कर रहा है, क्यों बताना है? But I'm sure not even 30% of the room worked out today. Anyone who plans to work out after? So you already done in the morning and you, okay. So no guys, that's what. It's just a matter of habit that we need to build over time. Yes, our parents forgot to teach us, but let's do it for ourselves and the future kids we're gonna have. Because they're going to look up to you, they're going to learn from you. Not just that, it is also going to affect your lifespan. बहुत लोग कहेंगे हमें नहीं जीना जल्दी, but जीना कैसे है, it's on you. So you have 99 problems until you have one health problem. Then you have only one problem. If I say आज क्यों नहीं किया workout, कहोगे time नहीं था, जगह नहीं है, पैसे नहीं है. We'll have different excuses, right? But if you have this issue, let's say cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and the doctor says अगर नहीं किया तो heart attack आ सकता है, करोगे फिर क्योंकि एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, फिर सारी प्रॉब्लम्स खत्म हो जाएंगी. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू से ओ यस डॉक्टर कोई बात नहीं, हार्ट अटैक आन दो, मेरे को ऑफिस जाना है, राइट? तब सिर्फ एक ही प्रॉब्लम आएगी. ओके, so we're done with the realization. Now I'll give you 10 tips which you can do in your day-to-day life for a healthy lifestyle. First one is a debit and credit. Anyone who knows that? Anyone who can just stand and simply explain debit or credit? Guys, come on, it's easy. I know you're shy. We're all of the same age group. Come on. Mindful eating. समोसा कौन खाता है चाय के साथ? क्या खाते हो? रस्क, बिस्किट, क्या खाते हो? सर क्या खिलाते हो?
I can take care of one.
But क्या खाते हो? Someone wants to say something. समोसा खाते हो? पता है वो किससे बनता है? पाम ऑयल. अभी हम बात कर रहे थे, we were talking, पाम ऑयल से बनता है. They don't have ghee and coconut oil for you. They make it in palm oil. And what happens after you have palm oil? You don't know. हार्ट के अंदर जो वेसल्स हैं, आपके जो ब्लड वेसल्स हैं, उसके अंदर प्लैक इकट्ठा होता है, जिसके कारण ब्लड फ्लो कम हो जाता है. इवेंचुअली हार्ट अटैक आता है, बट उससे पहले बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाती हैं. LDL जो आप कहते हैं ना, बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल, दैट इंक्रीजेस. Guys, another reason to not eat fried, not eat cookies, not eat rusk, biscuits. They have sugar, you can't even imagine. एक रस में एटलीस्ट 120 कैलोरीज होती हैं और आप शायद 2-3 वैसे ही खा जाते हो, एक मील के बराबर होती हैं, बट यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी न्यूट्रिशन फ्रॉम इट. Hydrate. Your metabolism will increase when you hydrate yourself. So if you want to lose fat, a lot of people want to. Pani piyo achhe se. You want to save your hair, drink water. Have a nice skin, drink water. This is why I'm saying, because you can see what is on the outside. You don't know what's happening in the inside. So we are more convinced when we're seeing things outside, right? Beauty, mirror में खड़े होकर कैसे लग रहे हैं matters more than what's happening inside, क्योंकि पता ही नहीं क्या हो रहा है अंदर. So let's take care of outside at least. Fat loss is not equal to fitness. Someone who is thin is not fit. I will ask that person to go run for 30 minutes, will not be able to do it. Go lift 50 kgs, will not be able to do it. So guys, strength training is something we miss. Eventually, अपने बुढ़ापे में अगर अकेले हो and you fall down, it is your muscle strength that is going to help you come, like you can pick yourself up back. You don't need your kids to hold your hand. और वो अभी से ही बनाने पड़ेंगे, बिकॉज 30s के बाद तो मसल बनाने इज वेरी टफ. यू स्टार्ट राइट नाउ एंड यू लुक गुड टू. एंड इवन व्हेन you have a lot of muscle, when you're sitting you're burning more calories than when you don't. So fasting करके you won't get fit. Have a lot of protein. We'll talk about that. Protein. A lot of people must be listening कि protein खाओ. कौन किसको लगता है कि our Indian diets have enough protein? नो किसको लगता है दाल में प्रोटीन होता है? दाल में प्रोटीन होता है? कभी सर्च किया कितना होता है? इनकम्प्लीट होता है, बट इतना होता भी नहीं है. कार्ब्स भी होते हैं, बहुत कम वेराइटी ऑफ दाल्स हैं जिसमें होता है, एंड दैट टू इफ यू हैव टू add it with other things. So we talk about paneer, but paneer भी किस क्वालिटी का ले रहे हो आप, really depends. How many of you are non-vegetarian here? Very few. So people who are vegetarian, do you ever plan कि आप अपनी meals में protein कैसे डालते हो? कि normal खाना बस, है ना? Normal खाना. Vegetarian? Yes. Good. I mean I'm very much on both the sides, vegetarian or non-vegetarian, but vegetarian have to put an extra effort. Be more mindful of what you're eating, guys. Your hair, your skin, your muscles, everything feeds on protein. So हमारी carb में diet में carbs ज़्यादा होते हैं, रोटी, चपाती, सब्जी, everything's carb. It will give you energy, but your work is to just sit on the chair and move your fingers. It's not where you're running around like people used to before. Carbs will give you energy, protein will give you strength. So you're supposed to have more protein in your diet. Sleep for 7 to 8 hours. Everyone sleep for 7 to 8 hours? नहीं? सो लेते हो? जो सो जाते, you sleep, right? You do sleep for 7 to 8. What time do you sleep?
I sleep by 6. I do a night shift here.
Do you have a night shift? I can help those people. Okay. So guys, 7 to 8 hours of sleep, but at what time you're sleeping also matters. सुबह सन निकलता है, रात को मून आता है. There is a reason. This is how body has been working since forever. अंधेरे में सोते क्यों हैं? Because our hormones, our bodies heal when we are sleeping. Our hormones are balanced if we sleep on time. So there's 3 phases in sleep. If you miss one of those, you can't expect everything to be nice. आप बोल रहे हो मैं 7 से 8 घंटे सो रहा हूँ, रात को 2 बजे सोता हूँ और सुबह 8 बजे 9-10 बजे उठता हूँ. That won't help you. You have to sleep before 11. ठीक है, नहीं हो रहा 12 बजे, उसके बाद कोई काम नहीं होता. जिसकी नाइट शिफ्ट है उनको नहीं मैं बोल सकती. Blood test every 6 months. We did discuss that. Once you get your blood test, अतुल्या वालों के, I just realized I have booked my full complete blood thing booked. Atulya वालों के, there is an offer going on, guys. You can ask them. This is a free tip I'm giving for a complete blood test, just to see where my iron levels are, my vitamin D, my vitamin B12, everything. They'll help you guide. उसके फिर supplements लो. If you can't have the meals, have those supplements and you'll see the change in you. You'll feel the change in you. Okay, so that was something that we would have done in our day-to-day life, but here I'm for something specific. how your workspace can be more optimized. How can you be more productive and not feel the stiffness around your neck? Your back is hurting. What can you do in your work life that can help you become a better employee, or be a little more, what do we say? Feel better. So the first thing is how you're sitting. Let me see someone. How do you guys sit? Can everyone, can you face towards your desktop and sit? Just sit like you sit in your regular working hours. अब ज़्यादा अच्छे होकर मत बैठना because I'll be judging your way of sitting. सब ऐसे बैठते हैं? Perfect. हाँ? कई बार? Mostly? Okay. Okay guys, anyone who feels the back pain here because of sitting, you. Neck stiffness. Neck, right? Good? Okay. Come back. So I'll give you 5 tips. First one would be about your desk and your chair setup. So when we talk about chair height, your feet, both of your feet should be placed flat on the ground. Okay? Can we all sit like that once? Your lower back should support the chair. Sit पूरा पीछे होकर. Your glutes should touch the back of the seat. आगे होकर नहीं बैठना, पीछे space नहीं होनी चाहिए. आपके glutes and आपके buttocks and your chair, they should not have space between them. Okay, we all can sit like that while I'm talking. And then we talk about desk height. Ensure that your elbows are 90-degree placed on your desk. ऐसे नहीं करना, shrug, or it should not be very far off. Okay, that's the first way of sitting. Then we have monitor positioning. If your monitor cannot be adjusted, adjust your seat accordingly. But let your screen be at your eye level or slightly below so that your neck is not strained. Okay. Then we have the distance. Keep the monitor 1 arm distance away from your body. Okay. You can adjust yourself while I'm talking if you want. So next one is your keyboard and your mouse placement. Keep your keyboard just close to your body so that you don't have to overreach and type or slouch to type. And keep your mouse just next to your keyboard when you're working. So same goes for that. You don't have to overreach ऐसे में करके, if you do that, you're gonna face issues. Your shoulders are supposed to be relaxed, back should be straight. If you sit with your shoulders high up tight, you're gonna feel the neck pain cause of that. You're leaning on your one shoulder half of the time, you'll feel the pain. Let your arms be rested on the table. Next we have a sitting posture. Keep your back straight, shoulder relaxed, hips and knees aligned. And the last one is movement and breaks. You should take frequent breaks. If you can't move around, stand up where you're sitting for at least good 30 to 1 minute. Do some butt kicks if you want. Stretch, the ones we did in the beginning. Walk around if you want. I'm sure you won't say anything. Stretching. Do your simple stretches, stretch your wrist, stretch your neck. And then eye strain if you get your eyes fatigued. Guys, there's a 20-20-20 rule where for every 20 minutes, you look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Okay, that's a good exercise for your eyes. Now, these were the stretches you can do. Let's not take curative mindset, but preventive. Curative was mine. When I realized I have PCOS, that is when I started doing something about it. And today, here I am, left my job, came back to Chandigarh, took the yoga and CrossFit certification and became the first female CrossFit coach in Tri-City. You should not be that. You can start right now. And I'm thrilled to announce that there's a 21 days workshop for Significant employees and their families where I'm offering 50% off for this workshop, fitness challenge, where I'll be giving fitness programs as well as fitness online class. So my usual charge is 4,000, but for you all and your family, I'll be offering 2,000 rupees. So if any one of you is interested, you can scan this right now from your phone. You or someone in your family, you feel even slightly interested and you want to try the online session, you can take this and I can give you 1 week of free demo class. You can fill this form, it's just 5 questions and I'll get back to you and we can discuss more. This does not mean that you have signed up for it, this just means that we can have more details, we can talk about this and we discuss more about this. Yes, you can scan it if you want. I'll have your numbers in that way. Thank you.
Thank you, madam, for wonderful session. सबको समझ आ गया? कुछ questions हैं?
Oh yes. Anyone who has questions, I'm here to answer.
Questions? Yeah, Ravi. Sir, like digital times we are using our laptops. With that, getting the height adjustment because since it's that's are being so
Yes.
and the height that we have, so it's not very much conducive to have that on high level at time. So, what are the other ways we can do that? Secondly, like for me, I personally do not get as time to go to the gym on regular basis. I prefer to go for the walk. With walk, what are the basic exercises that can be used for strengthening factor?
Agreed. Okay, your first answer is if you're using a desktop, you're talking about your workplace or at home?
At workplace. where you
Workplace. If you're using a laptop, first thing is you can always adjust your chair, right? Chair is adjustable, right?
Yes.
1. 2, you can pull out few books and put it under the laptop. वो आपकी laptop की height increase कर देगी. Was that helpful? He's not looking very satisfied with it.
It might not be that conducive with the way put other things and I would is not my
I think
office property.
Yeah.
And,
No, I mean books or something. I'm sure you can
I think that-
arrange if you're feeling the discomfort doing that. Second one is I would not suggest you to follow YouTube videos and reels on Instagram because they are not systematic and they don't have a plan. So whenever you're following something which doesn't have a system, you're just wasting your effort.
Right.
Another thing is doing strength training. Well, guys, I'm not saying you to, fill this questionnaire. I can give you answers by providing a 1 week plan for a strength training from your home comfort. I also do 8 p.m. class for people like you who get free very late and then you don't have anything to follow, so you just mindlessly want to follow someone you can rely on. So you can try that for a week. Another suggestion, if you want to do it yourself, I can also help you with a free 1 week plan where I'll be helping you to understand what kind of plans you can make for yourself if you have to make for yourself. Okay, because otherwise I can randomly ask you to go somewhere and read about it. I'm sure you don't have a lot of time for that, but I myself can help you with that. Okay.
And another thing that as we say that your work defines your lifestyle at times. So for us, for me or most of my team members will be staying late in the night because of the office
I agree.
work and such. So how we can have a better work.
What are your work timings? Can I know?
Like I personally stay till 12 midnight, and
12
my team members generally have the full night shift, so they are staying till 3:30 or 4.
What time do you come to the office?
I come by 2.
Okay.
So its official time is 3.
So yes, I can't ask you to sleep at 11 p.m. and work around that. But what I can ask you is to have a good. Men usually don't want 8 hours of sleep. Let's say 6 to 7 hours, but obviously everyone likes to sleep. So have good 7 hours of sleep. If you can't sleep on time, but have complete circle where you're sleeping for 7 hours in one go. That's the best way because then your body will also adapt to that timings eventually. If you're doing something every day regularly, your body will adapt to it. So you just have to make your body adapt to it, where you're sleeping at a certain point and you're waking up at a certain time. and your hormones will adjust.
Great point. But normally, क्या होता है, what happens is a lot of staff, like in the evening, we have like 10 people stationed in our staff. So they leave it up stream, and when I ask them कि सो कब रहे हो, तो कह रहे हैं कि 7-8 बजे सोते हैं. So what I generally ask them is कि when they go home,
करते क्या हो?
so they might be browsing it up something. So make sure that within 1.5 hours you sleep it up.
Yes, I mean obviously if you are sleeping in that time where your body is meant to sleep, you won't disturb the rest of the day for that. I'm sure subah din mein sona is even harder. It's easier to sleep when it's dark outside. So guys, go back home and sleep on time. Okay.
Any other questions? So ma'am, thank you a lot.
Yeah, the question.
Yeah. Okay. This is also into the kickboxing.
Oh, lovely.
Strengthening 3 days or 4 days a week and not taking any kind of supplements. So is that healthy or it's not?
You're working out, you're doing strength training 3 to 4 days a week and not taking any supplement because you know there's no deficiency.
Yeah, like as of now, there's no deficiency. So is that healthy in the long run or is it?
Definitely. I mean, strength training is the best thing you can do. 3 to 4 days is what's recommended, 3 days minimum. And if you're not taking supplements, because you don't know what's lacking in you, or you know that there's no deficiency, you're not having it. Are you talking about the general supplements like vitamin D, or are you talking about what gym people? You don't need that, guys. If you're having enough protein, eating the right amount of nutrients and everything else, you don't need the, I don't know, creatine and things like that. I would say people who are vegetarian will require some source of protein powder, which is more plant based rather than more artificial. That is something you need to have because I'm sure your vegetarian diet is not completing the protein requirement. We think कि अच्छा हम workout नहीं कर रहे इसलिए protein भी नहीं खाने की जरूरत इतनी, but every human body needs जितना आपका weight है उतने grams protein खाने की जरूरत है if you are not working out. So if you are working out, you need it 1.2 को multiply कर लो उससे. और आप if you sit
per day.
yes per day. हमें रोटी सब्जी मतलब चपाती we don't need because we are not going to work or we are not going to get exhausted. We are going to sit on the chair. Protein is what you need. हमें लगता है हम वर्कआउट नहीं कर रहे तो हमें चाहिए भी नहीं. But this is what you're supposed to feed on. I think you know it better because he told me that you do kickboxing and all. So you doing it right. Good. Yes,
Just to add on, consistency matters है.
definitely.
अगर मैं अपना एग्जांपल यहाँ पे वेजिटेरियन नहीं कर रहा है बट मैंने 25 kg लॉस किया.
Okay.
Within 8 months, I was around 93 kg and right now I'm 70.
Wonderful. Excellent.
And the thing is कि आप हफ्ते में अगर 3 दिन भी जा रहे हो,
Yes.
एक दिन जा रहे हो उसको कोई मैटर नहीं करेगा, एक हफ्ते जा रहे हो उसको मैटर नहीं करेगा, एक महीने जा रहे हो उसको मैटर नहीं करेगा. But in some time you will see the change, right? अगर आप हफ्ते में 3 दिन जा रहे हो, महीने में कितना हो गया? एटलीस्ट 12-13 दिन.
Yes.
ठीक है. आपको एवरेज देखना है अपने महीने में, आप डेली नहीं देख सकते.
Yes.
ठीक है. जैसे बताया कि 30-40 मिनट बहुत ज्यादा है. ठीक है. आप अगर 15-20 मिनट भी करते हो, अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हो एक्सरसाइज 15-20 मिनट भी करते हो तो धीरे धीरे वो इकट्ठा होता जाएगा. आपको ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दिखेगा कि हम क्या कर सकते हो क्या नहीं कर सकते. बहुत ज्यादा चीज कर सकते हो अपनी बॉडी में.
Completely agreed.
और जो कैलोरीज इनटेक और कैलोरीज लॉस की बात की गई है, आप कोई ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर रहा है जैसे को वेट लॉस करना है तो बेसिकली हम क्या करते हैं रनिंग स्टार्ट कर दिया जैसे एग्जांपल दिया था. उससे क्या होता है आपकी स्किन लूज होती जाएगी. ठीक है. आप मतलब तो गेन कर नहीं पाओगे क्योंकि आप खाली कार्डियो पे बेस कर रहे हो. ठीक है. तो जैसे बताया कि स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग भी साथ में करनी है तो स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग जैसे कि आप करोगे धीरे-धीरे आपका वेट भी लॉस होता है. खाली आप कार्डियो पे बेस कर रहे हो. तो मेरा मैंने देखा है इतने 6-7 महीने के अंदर जो भी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है तो स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग बहुत जरूरी है. उसके साथ आप कार्डियो कर सकते हो. जो भी हेयर प्रॉब्लम होगी जो भी प्रॉब्लम होगी कुछ भी ये सारी चीजें जा सकती हैं अपनी लाइफस्टाइल में बदली है.
Like 6-7 packs.
Wow. Good. I could connect while I was talking because he was like agreeing to things.
Nice.
Wonderful. Guys, you have someone who has experience from unfit to fit. So you can always, I mean, he's already sharing things with you. So let's just follow.
कुछ भी पूछना है पूछ सकते हो.
मेरे से भी पूछ सकते हैं. Okay, thank you guys.